Even if you haven't made pasta before, keep watching this because this just might be the easiest pasta recipe you ever seen. And this was made first by Meghan Markle. No wonder why it went viral, because it's super easy, super delicious, and I can't wait for you to try it. Keep watching and you'll see why. So it has a few ingredients only: just olive oil, some onions, regular onions that is, some salt, cherry tomatoes, and I just fried this for a very short while. I've decided to add in some seasonings, not because Meghan Markle added it, but because it was tasty as well. I added in some seasoning because there's also no protein in this recipe, and so I felt it needed to elevate the taste a little bit, but the original recipe is just perfect. I'm frying the onions just in shallow, slowly heated oil. And she added the pasta in whole. The reason is because the starch which you haven't drained from the pasta makes the entire meal so creamy. Okay, so I've added it. I added a little water and allow that to boil. You just need enough for the pasta to soften as much as you like it. This recipe honestly is so easy and I'm sure you'd love it. It's also very tasty. I've had to make it over and over again. As you can see, the pasta is softening and I'm just adding enough water to make sure that it's as soft as I want it, not very soft. Now you can see that the kids can't wait for me to finish because it's so good, guys. I told you it's so good. I'm adding some more water just to soften it to the exact level that I like it to be. And at this stage, I'm adding some black peppercorns. Added some black pepper. Taste it and just add all the ingredients according to your taste. But it is so simple and it's very rewarding. I'm going to give this a gentle stir again. Cover it for a bit and check on it, and it looks very well done. She added a few vegetables. I've decided to go in with basil because I love the aroma of basil. You can add lettuce, you can add spinach. I've also decided to add spinach, but I'm leaving it to the last. Now it's time to add my parmesan, and you can see how golden and creamy. So we add the parmesan and you can see how creamy the entire mixture becomes. At this point, I'm sure you're salivating and so am I. Can't wait to dig in. But trust me, it's super easy and it's one of the common things you can find in the shop. I mean, you can find the ingredients for making it in the shop. Things like your cheese, your pasta, super easy to make. Now I'm adding my spinach and I'm not going to let this cook for long because I don't want the spinach to soften so much. I don't want it to get too soft or too dark, and I'm going to bring it down just now. Just going to combine it really well. I just can't. It's time to dish it out to everyone. And yay! This is so delicious. Bon appetit. Come and join me. I honestly wish you were here to smell the aroma of the kitchen. This is so delicious and I hope you try it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.